Hello friends, today we are going to talk about lists in HTML. So first of all, we talk about HTML's ordered list. So an ordered list in HTML starts with OL tag and each list item is defined by li tag. Okay, so let me give you an example that like this. So this is an basic structure of HTML. Now let's go to body and type OL. So here we open OL tag, then we go to li tag and we start typing our list. So first of all, let's say we type here blue, and sorry, I forgot to close the tag. Then we close this tag. Then let's say we go to second tag and type let's say red, and then we close this tag. And then let's say I type let's say li and I type let's say which color should I type? Yellow. So now let's close this tag. Now I close OL tag. So OL tag is closed. Now let's save and run this file to see what is the result. Document.html. Okay, now let's see what our file looks like. So this is HTML page. Now you see these lists in an order, that is 1, 2, 3, that is blue, red, yellow, and so it continues. After that, this is how HTML is like. So this will automatically mark them number wise. Now there is another list which is called unordered list. If you use that, then your list will not be in numbers. So to use unordered list, you just need to tag ul to ol, ol to ul. Then your list would now become an unordered list. So now let's save and see the difference. Now this document are in bullet points. They don't have any number or series, but this one had 1, 2, 3, which are numbers, which were an ordered way of writing thing. But this time we don't have any ordered list. They are in bullet points. They can be 100 times. Okay, so this is how the list in HTML works. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please comment if you like this video. Share this video. Thank you.